here we go. Okay, so this is your typical Alfa Spider. Actually, also fits Alfa Montreal. Not that that's important. A combination switch. We've just gone through and rebuilt the thing. One of the problems that these things have is as the plastic shrinks over the years, the rivets get loose. So we've soldered all rivets through, verified that the cam that's operated by this rotating headlight switch arm and what have you is totally functional, and that all the contacts are working right. So this thing's completely rebuilt. We will put a cancellation spring on it. But what we've got here is something that's recommended both for this switch and the aftermarket switch, and that is a relay pack. Now this relay pack is, they're all 30 amp relays. They're pretty high-powered relays. And we've designed this so that the plug from the original Alpha switch, no changes at all, of course it's always good to check your color codes, excuse me, plugs directly into the, originally plugged directly into the body wiring harness. So this plug that actually now goes to our relays plugs in directly to the switch mechanism. Now this other plug that we have here is a male that plugs into your body wiring harness. Now we don't have your car here, so we don't have your body wiring harness plug here. Just keep in mind that this relay plugs directly in between where the switch plugs into on your original car, and then what was originally your car plugs into this. And we don't have that here, so we have to plug these wires in individually in order to demonstrate it. So go ahead, Steve. We have actually a 9 amp load here, which is larger than any of the lighting that you likely ever see. And oh, and I should mention as well,
hang on.
we have not connected the turn signals through this relay. In general, the turn signals do not ever prove to be bad contacts. They always work fine. So we're only using the 3 main lighting functions for the 3 relays that you see here. So what do you got, Steve?
Let's see.
Okay, so there's the twist operation. I believe that is the running lights because it stays on in both those positions and off. And
next is going to be high or low. I don't know which.
High or low, one of the two. Oh, you have to, there you go. You have to go back and you go.
I lost my ground.
Oh, you lost your ground. Okay.
Come on. There we go.
Here, I'll hold the switch body.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
So
that's high,
that's
or headlamps.
green wire function,
And
whatever
then
that is.
this function will be next, which is high. Actually, one is headlights on, the other one is high-low.
This is gray wire.
All right. In any case, all 3 relays click, all 3 times the lights fire, and it's just a simple plug in to the system. You have to find a place to locate this and hang it. It has 3 hangers on it; those can be used. It has to be up out of the way, but I'm sure there's room up underneath the dash for you to do that. And we have to supply it with a power supply, right?
No, ground wire.
With a ground wire. Oh yeah, because it has its own power supply, we have to ground the relays, so we can put a ring tab on that. So that will save the contacts in this switch and also allow you to do things like run fog lights or high-powered headlamps. So that's our story, and we're sticking to it. Thanks, Steve.
Yeah.